Sister Wives, Mariah Brown suffers from seasonal depression, and Mary Brown is not a merry wife. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my shocking news channel. Sister Wives Mariah Brown, the only daughter of Mary Brown and Kody Brown, suffers from seasonal depression. To most fans, this comes as quite a shock. Mariah seems to project a happier vibe on her family hit TLC show. She experienced many positive and happy changes recently, and seems in a good place with her family as well as her long-term lady love. Looks like she found what works to keep her depression in check. Sister Wives news, Mariah Brown struggles with seasonal depression. Like so many others, Mary Brown only daughter fights seasonal depression. Most people with this issue feel of the same time each year, usually the late fall, and extends through the winter. People with this type of seasonal depression say it saps your energy and makes you feel moody. Many also refer to this as being the winter blues. Fortunately for Sister Wives celeb Mariah Brown, she found several ways to cope with her feelings. She takes steps to keep her mood and motivation steady throughout the year. Mariah admits she feels anxious all year long, but it is more of an issue during winter months. Although the holidays are filled with joy, she struggles with exhaustion no matter how much sleep she gets. Sadly, she has battled this for years, but thankfully she found coping mechanisms. Mariah Brown is open with her family, friends, and Sister Wives fans with her struggles. She often shares her journey on Instagram. In her social media posts, she credits her live-in girlfriend Audrey Chris, her doggies, and self-care as the main things that get her through the rough patches. She is learning to be kinder to herself too. Taking time for herself is the best remedy for Mariah's seasonal depression. She finds peace and centering doing yoga as well as being in therapy. These are steps Mariah takes all year round but is especially diligent during the tougher times that winter brings. The Sister Wives daughter offers this advice to anyone who struggles as she does. If you also struggle around this time of year, or any time of year, know that it's okay to not be okay, and that therapy really works. And it's important to take care of yourself, because self-care is not selfish. The last few years have been quite a whirlwind for Kody and Mary daughter. She faced several challenges in her personal life and seemingly emerged stronger, happier and healthier. Just over 2 years ago, Mariah came out to her father and foremothers as a lesbian. Her conservative Sister Wives family was very accepting of the news. Not long after the reveal, Mariah introduced the family to her girlfriend, Audrey Chris. These days Mariah calls Chicago home. She and Audrey Chris moved there to start their new lives together last year. She is not the only Brown that made a big move in 2018. Her family decided to leave Las Vegas as well. The new season will highlight the events leading up to the Brown move to Flagstaff, Arizona. Sister Wives, spoilers from the recently released promo video reveal that Kody Brown's first wife Mary Brown is not a merry wife. Season 13 of the hit TLC show debuts January 20th, and from the looks of things, Sister Wife number 1 Mary Brown will be at the center of much of the drama. Indeed, tensions are higher than ever between Mary and her sister wives this season. Will Kody Brown add to the drama or help mend their fences? Sister Wives, spoilers. Mary Brown needs money for her bed and breakfast. The newest promo video for Sister Wives opens with Mary Brown in a meeting with the other wives and Kody Brown. She wants to update them on the bed and breakfast she wants to purchase. Good news is her business loan is approved. Unfortunately, they're bad news. Mary needs help from the family for the down payment. The family is overjoyed for Mary at first until they learned she needed their help financially. Fans recall last season Mary wanted to purchase Ligi Heritage Inn, a bed and breakfast in Parowan, Utah. She wanted this house for sentimental reasons, and not really for the business. The house was previously built and owned by her great-great-grandparents back in 1870. The house was occupied by 4 generations of her family until it was sold out of the family in the 1980s. It's very important to Mary that this home and property be back in her family. Kody Brown and Mary Brown have a strained relationship as witnessed on the last season of TLC Sister Wives. The two both are committed to their family but not so much each other. It should come to no surprise to Mary that Kody tells her the family does not have the money to give her for the down payment for the bed and breakfast. It's evident that Mary frustrated when Kody Brown informed her the family doesn't have the money to help her. She appeared to be both angry and hurt. The denial of family funds for her dream project appears to be her tipping point. Mary Brown is shown in the clips saying, "I'm being very careful about holding it all in right now, because part of me wants to just stand up and be like, okay, fine, I don't need you guys." Fans can sense she is feeling unsupported by her husband, sister wives, and family. Might this be the catalyst for her strike out on her own and leave them all behind? Being a sister wife is super tricky. Sister Wives, spoilers from season 13 preview, indicate Mary Brown and Christine Brown's relationship is the most strained of all the wives. Fans of the show recall Janelle and Mary have had their fair share of issues, most of their married lives, but seem to have mended fences last season. The two went to therapy together and worked on their relationship. Some might even say the two are now friends. And of course, there has always been the undercurrent of jealousy rumors between Mary and Robyn. Mary and Christine relationship seemed solid until recently. It appears that season 13 finds Kody first wife most at odds with his third wife. Mary tensions with Christine were revealed when she confronted her for not wanting her around. Mary shown in the clip above saying to Christine, "I feel like there are a lot that we need to figure out. I mean, you don't feel comfortable with me around." Christine admits that it is hard to be cordial to a woman who has an intimate relationship with your husband. She goes on to add, "The sister-wife relationship is super tricky because you're trying to be best friends with a woman who has a relationship with your husband." The drama amongst the members of the Brown family seems to be very much alive and well this season. Sister Wives star Mary Brown shared the incredible living history of her heritage and project. The items from her family history are still cherished by the family and date from the late 1800s and early 1900s. Incidentally, just 1 year ago, December 13, 2017, Mary officially opened the inn at the historic site in Parowan, Utah. On the anniversary of that date, Mary showed just how special that must. The sister wives women make an effort to venture into business, and Mary has several projects on the go. However, the heritage and project must surely sit closest to her heart as the inn, originally owned by her family, keeps her rooted in her past. In fact, the place is named after her great-grandmother, Lidgie. Lidgie lived in the home in the late 1920s. However, not just her name remains attached to the historic site, but some of her actual possessions. In a way, the inn became a living history of that family. Lidgie was a milliner by trade, and one of her hats sits proudly displayed in the Heritage Inn. However, the multi-talented ancestor also made other home crafts. In her most recent post, Mary Brown from Sister Wives also shared a photo of a gorgeous tablecloth that Lidgie hand-tatted herself. The photo showed it spread out on a table at the inn. These days, if any of the Sister Wives stars want a tablecloth, they may simply pop down to any convenience store or mall. If you look at the photo below, the intricate and vast amount of work that went into making the tablecloth is amazing. It took weeks perhaps, or even months to make by hand. No wonder the item is cherished by Mary Brown. After all, how much craftwork ever managed to survive from the days before mass-produced items? Fans of TLC Sister Wives reality TV show expressed a real interest in the plot. Here is what some of them had to say. Cody Brown wife, Mary Brown, often spends time at the Legee Heritage Inn and seems very proud of it. In fact, this year it featured on the Best of Utah on television. What do you think of the way Mary Brown been able to secure the old family property? Even more than that, do you think it's a wonderful thing to cherish the items of living history, yet still put them to practical use? What do you think about this video? Please told on comment box. Also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.